Hey guys, Touch Tile everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today recipe I'm going to show you super easy and delicious with simple ingredient garlic frying beans. How to make I'm going to show you. And before watching video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's get started how to make, and I hope you guys will enjoy this recipe. First, I'm going to clean the beans. So this part I'm going to leave, and this part I'm going to take out like this. Garlic and ginger and some. I like to make little spicy beans, so I take lots of chili. Now I'm going to soak for chili first. Here is my chili. Now I'm going to add water. Cover and leave it for 10 minutes. Ready. Now here I keep little big chunk. I like to keep like this. If you want, you can chop it. Now slice the ginger. Now here I'm going to try the beans. Add the beans and fry for 2-3 minutes. It's a good restaurant. You don't need to burn yourself. It's become like this kind of color, and it's ready to have the onions. Now add just 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. Remove all the extra water. It's very simple. Here I'm going to use garlic, ginger and chili paste and some dry chili. And next I'm going to add salt. That's it. Now it's time to add garlic first. Garlic and ginger. So by the way guys, if you don't like too much spicy, too much garlic, you can add less. So I like to add lots of garlic and lots of spicy. And now I'm going to add my chili paste. After that, add the beans. Add chili. Very nicely. After that, it's ready. symbol. So I'm going to add a little bit of sesame seed also. Sesame seed. Okay, now it's ready. Now I'm going to add just a little bit more sesame seed. It will keep nice look. So this is my final result. Garlic fried bean is ready. So I add too much chili, you guys think? Actually, this chili is not too much spicy, so that's why I add chili paste also. Anyway guys, so for more recipe, do not forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends and family, and enjoy my homemade recipe. Thank you so much for watching my